Hello friends, my name is Chinmay Deshpande. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about a topic from unit interpolation. We will solve a first numerical of Newton's backward interpolation formula. The question is, construct a backward difference table for a following data. So we have a data, this will be your x0, then x1, x2, x3, x4, and this is your corresponding y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. Find f of x when x equal to 9. Now why to use here Newton's backward interpolation formula? Because when x equal to 9 means this value is situated at end of the table. So we have to use here backward interpolation formula or backward interpolation method. So what we have to find it out, what is the value of f of x when x equal to 9. So we have to construct Newton's, or instead of Newton's, okay, I will write it as first. Here we have to construct what? We have to construct backward difference table. So backward difference table. So let me write these values. We have x value. After that we have y value. So let me complete this table first. What we have values? We have 2, 4, 6, then 8 and 10. We have corresponding y values, that is 101, 97, 111, then 120 and 125. So we have to find it out del y. So how to find it out? 97 minus 101, so you will get it as minus 4. Then 111 minus 97, you will get it as 14. Then 120 minus 111, you will get it as 9. And here it will be del y is 125 minus 120 will be a 5. So this will be your x0 value, this will be your x4 value, okay, x4. So this is your corresponding y4 value. So the same suffix here we have to use. So it will be 4, before that it will be 3, it is 2, it is 1. Next will be del square y. So how to find it out? Del square y, 14 minus of minus 4, so it will be 18. Then del square y, 9 minus 14, it will be minus 5. And del square y, 5 minus 9, it will be minus 4. So again here, if you see suffix, it will be 4, here it will be 3, here it will be 2. Next is del cube of y. So this del cube of y will be equal to minus 5 minus 18, so it will be minus 23. And del cube of y, so here but obvious, this suffix you have to take, so 4, here it will be 3, minus 4 minus of minus 5, so you will get this answer as a 1. And last term is del raised to 4y, which will be equal to del raised to 4y4 is 1 minus of minus 23, which comes out to be 24. So as we are talking about here backward interpolation, so here we have to take which values? We have to take this value in our formula, del y4, del square y4, del cube y4, del raised to 4 y4. These are the values that we have to take. Now, what is your formula of Newton's backward interpolation? So, writing a formula also it will carry some marks. It will be y equal to yn, here n equal to 4 because we have x4 and y4. So, yn plus r into r plus 1 upon, sorry, it is not r into r plus 1, it is r into del yn plus r into r plus 1 upon 2 factorial del square yn plus r into r plus 1 into r plus 2 upon 3 factorial del cube of yn plus r into r plus 1 r plus 2 r plus 3 upon 4 factorial del raised to 4 of yn. So what is r here? R is equal to, formula of r is x minus xn divided by h, which is equal to 9 minus 10. H is nothing but step size. H will be equal to what? x1 minus x0. So you will get that answer as a 2. So it will be what? You will get this term as minus 0.5. So let me substitute all the values. So you will get it as 125 plus minus 0.5 into 5 plus minus 0.5 into minus 0.5 plus 1 divided by 2 into minus 4, then plus minus 0.5 into minus 0.5 plus 1 into minus 0.5 plus 2 into 1 divided by 3 factorial, which is 6, plus minus 0.5 into minus 0.5 plus 1 into minus 0.5 plus 2 into minus 0.5 plus 3 into 24 upon, there will be what? There will be 4 factorial, which is nothing but 24. So if you solve it, you will get y of 9 equal to 125. If you multiply it, you will get this answer as minus 2.5 plus 0.5. Step by step you try to solve, you will get these answers, and it will be 0.9375. So if you solve, we will get answer of y of 9, or in other words you can write f of 9, which is equal to 122. So this is what is the problem, how to solve a numerical by using Newton's backward interpolation formula. In the next video lecture, we will be discussing about some other types of a formula, other types of a numerical. So please stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video.